Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The last session saw the dollar fall 0.6% against the yen. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin fell 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street's main indexes surged on hopes that the Federal Reserve's policy tightening was ending, and the world's largest economy was heading for a soft landing, while Meta Platforms jumped on strong third-quarter revenue forecast. The Japanese PM reaffirmed the country's commitment to fostering the Web3 industry, highlighting its potential to transform the internet and kindle social change. On the same day, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao announced the cryptocurrency exchange would launch its services on a new Japanese platform in August 2023. The dollar fell after the Federal Reserve delivered what some expected to be its last rate hike, while market focus shifted across the Atlantic to the European Central Bank's rate decision.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's retail sales will be released at 0130 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement at 0300 hours GMT. The US personal spending will be released at 1230 GMT. Australia's producer price index at 0130 GMT. Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 0300 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.